For two, man. We back with another reaction video. We got that Brooklyn and DESHAE Frost on the little Christmas subathon. My brother reads my DMs on live stream. So he's ready. DESHAE Frost is finna go through Brooklyn's. DESHAE Frost is ready to go through Brooklyn's DMs. Let's see. I'm gonna lie, I wouldn't be able to do this with my sister, cause not right now, cause at least shit, man, this is crazy.
Okay.
You can go through whatever you want to go through. 5 minutes. Look,
Oh, they did a phone swap. That's crazy.
2, 3, go.
Where y'all think she going at? What app y'all think she going to?
What the fuck you talking about? I love you.
Whoa, I love you.
And I love you more. These are all different people, so her niggas, I'm letting you know.
Oh, you're a fucking liar.
Thank you. When it gets close to the time, let me go to the Instagram DMs.
Going to them Instagram DMs. She need to read something out loud.
Yeah, let me get to the Instagram DMs. Raymante. Oh.
Your sweat's fine. Thank you. They're from Dub 5. Brooklyn came through and wore a jacket.
Damn, you talking to my homie? That's crazy.
Damn. That nigga said you talking to my homie. That's crazy. See, bro, that's what I'm talking about right there, bro. That's what I'm talking about right there, bro. I wouldn't be able to do this.
Yes, sir.
Mine? What rapper is this? Crazy. Talking about mine.
What rapper is that? It's crazy.
That's crazy. This nigga's too old. You tweaking.
Oh, shit.
Oh my gosh, you're
What happened,
tweaking.
sir?
You're tweaking.
Oh, hold on. I'm going through people's close friends and shit. Hold
This is
on.
your type?
No.
Sit on me?
No, that was crazy. Wait, DESHAE, my chat!
Sit on me is
Nah,
insane.
you wildin'. You wildin' right now.
I'm wildin'?
Nah, don't.
How? Look.
I just want you to answer.
Wait.
This is how you doing?
Look though. Look though.
I'm speechless, bro. Like, this shit right here is crazy. I would not be able to do this with my sister right now, bro. Y'all let me know if I'm tripping. Would y'all do this? Y'all tell me. I don't even want to. I don't go through phones. Like, that's damn near like going through a phone with your girl. Not even that, but like, damn, that's.
Oh.
Keep that over there.
Because of all that.
Why'd you block him?
You see, I didn't respond to nothing because, like, bro, you gotta look at my chat!
Nah, that's crazy. Nah, you wildin'.
I didn't say sit on me. Are you dumb?
No, that's.
Listen,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. He said happy birthday. You got bullshit.
This is wild.
That nigga come on stream right now. Oh God.
That nigga said tell him to come on stream.
Damn. Yeah, tell that nigga. Tell that nigga. Damn.
This shit crazy, boy.
I don't even care about his phone.
What?
She's trying to watch
It
him.
don't got no motion. It don't got no motion.
She's trying to watch him. She's making sure he don't get to no freak shit.
No, it's nothing.
Okay.
She's making sure he don't get to no freak shit.
She bad.
And
She
Mhm.
She bad. I'm not gonna lie. She bad. She bad. What else? Come on, bro. That's a real killer. You gotta.
yeah, I
chill
know.
with that.
That's why I didn't open it. I didn't
That's
open
a real
it.
killer.
I
I
didn't
don't want
open
you
it.
because I can't save you after.
I know. I didn't
Oh,
open it.
this nigga funny.
I
That's
know.
just what it is.
Yeah, that's why I didn't open it. I didn't want to get myself in.
Who y'all think they talking about, bro? Comment who y'all think they talking about. He said that's a real killer. If he disrespects you, it's that.
into that. I don't want to get myself into that.
I'll make it up for your nails.
I don't even know.
Can I fly you out? Who is this?
Yeah.
We gotta wait till you get to the league.
Yeah. We gotta wait till they get to the league.
What the? Hey, they funny, bro.
Hold on.
This is crazy.
Keep going. This shit crazy.
Wait, bro, my fucking.
Bro, look at my chat. No, look at my chat.
What they saying?
No.
Oh shit.
Bro, you gotta think about my chat right here. You think it might see?
That's innocent. Whoa! Oh. I was gonna say.
He liked it though.
Like not enough.
Okay.
Like not enough.
Okay.
Let's keep on. Let's keep on going.
He's Frost, nigga. Ain't white picking in the mall.
Yeah.
I wonder if he gonna find some shit that's really gonna be wild.
Shout out.
Yes.
Lil Tay. You just give a shout out for shout out. What?
Yeah, I didn't.
I gotta see this.
He's Frost, nigga. Ain't white picking in the mall.
Yeah, this better be. That's my man's, bro. This better be professional.
Right.
Yeah. Now I gotta see the text messages.
Fuck.
I'm done. I'm not fucking with you no more. I'm not fucking with
He was done off that, man. He seen something. That's what I'm saying. He seen something that just crushed him. He seen something that finally crushed him out. Damn, bro. See, that's why I wouldn't do it, bro. Y'all tell me if y'all would play this with y'all sister, cuz.
you.
No, it's my turn.
Nah, that's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. That's crazy, bro.
Bro.
That's my man's, bro.
Bro,
That's crazy.
bro.
I know you.
Look, bro, look. Bro. Look.
Stink.
What?
Stink.
Frost, nigga. Ain't white picking in the mall.
That's crazy. Oh, I don't stink. Oh.
And he thought she was saying she stink. Damn. Hey, WW video, y'all. Hey, WW brother sister video, man. I ain't gonna lie, that's where we gonna wrap up this video, man. Like, Odie Squad, where we at? Talk to me, man. Stamp W. Out of here.